It's the third edition of Eurorust. We're here in Vienna. As every year, I think we had an awesome lineup of speakers. We had great workshops. We had a new side stage. And I think it's always a great vibe at the venue over the 2 days. We had a new friend here with us, and we even have 2 dogs in the venue.
It's kind of exciting seeing it growing in so many different domains across software engineering. Everyone's been super friendly and super engaging, and just really happy to just chat about things.
Great talks on both stages, and most importantly, people sticking around after the talk, engaging with the speaker, having lots of discussions.
There were more and more diverse communities around specific domain, around specific technologies, and each of these communities have evolved their own way of communicating, their own tools.
I think it's the fact that the Rust community is so curious. People have been in industry for many, many years. People are straight out of academia. They come here because they want to see people do interesting things. They want to learn about how they're using the language for odd stuff, or for interesting stuff, or for cool stuff.
2 years ago, most of the attendees were hobbyists trying Rust in their side projects as an experiment. Most of the conversation this year at the workshop at the venue has been about people using Rust professionally or trying to get into Rust professionally.
Outside of the talks, we had things like the implementation rooms. People were sitting there in groups, hacking together on some stuff. So we went into kernel development, to network protocols, open source maintainers, somebody from Rust Analyzing here showing us why it's so incredibly hard to make autocomplete for macros. So I loved that one.
I think the atmosphere was really great. This venue is huge but perfect for this kind of crowd. I got into a lot of interesting conversations with a lot of new people that I met and a lot of old friends that I finally met again after a year or so.
To be honest, this has been amazing. Sponsoring the conference has been great. Everyone around is just chatting, and everyone is super friendly.
I'm a freelancer. I love Rust the language because it allows me to do all that. And I love eurorust because I can learn even more about this environment. Seriously, it's awesome.
You learn about all these industries that Rust is being used in, use cases of Rust that I hadn't even considered before. From someone that doesn't come from a systems programming background, it's really nice to see that people have managed to get into the ecosystem.
John's opening talk, he's able to convey a lot of concepts that I struggle to convey to my own team. I'm super excited, and I think it'll be super valuable to just discuss these concepts together.
Each talk had something very specific that of my interests, and I think it was very stimulating.
I liked a lot of the talks very much, but it's probably the people, as cheesy as it sounds.
There's just so much interest in what other people are doing, even if it's completely unrelated to what they're doing themselves, and I love that.
It's about those things that make a conference a conference. Just be with lots of like-minded people and have some fun.
I'm really happy that we succeeded offering people more activities around the conference. Right on the day before, we had the walking tour, karaoke, we had the group dinners. Tonight we have the after party. It's great that we're able to expand the conference program beyond the talks. I'm really happy that we are able to do that for the community and get so much positive feedback. We're looking forward to continuing to do it in October, and where we will all meet in Paris.